Greetings, kings and queens, to our brand new YouTube channel, Road Foods and Culture. Just the other day, we put our trailer online. Yeah? Thank you very much for sharing, liking, and spreading the word. Okay, from now, we start. This is just a little one. Today, we make Basmati rice. Okay, so we just have 4 ingredients. Normally 3, but because we want to put some little bit of more aroma in the rice, we use thyme. Okay? So we have vegan butter, we have Himalayan salt, and we have the Basmati rice. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of oil in the beginning for the pot, and that's quite it with water. Okay? We're going to use, I think it's the normal way to make rice. We're going to use the version or the method to absorb the water. Yeah? And I think this is the real way to cook rice. Because all my life, I never know how to cook rice till I go to Jamaica and then I see how they cook rice proper. Very nice. And they always put in things like thyme and scallion, which is fresh onion and different things to give more aroma to the rice. Yeah man, so let's start. Yeah man, welcome back. Forward, how we say. This is the washed rice. So I'm going to turn on the heat now, full power on 9, and make it heat up a bit. I put first oil. That's sunflower oil. You put a bit in there. You can show it how much I put in there because I don't really put so much, It's just to cover the bottom so you make sure the rice don't stick. We set the trend in this style. Bomba class. You hear me? Loud and clear. We heat up the oil. We put the rice in there. You see? I wash it. The Sila Basmati rice, it smells dry already. It's crazy. It's one of my favorite Basmati rice, and I think it's one of the best qualities you can get. I love it very much. So now we have the rice in the pot. We're going to stir it a bit so the oil goes everywhere. Can you hear that? Yes, now you can hear the rice, the heat from the pot, Nice sound. So the rice needs a little bit of you just fry it for really a minute, yeah? So what I'm gonna do now first, my Himalayan salt. So, me as a cook, I know I'm supposed to write down everything like how much gram of this and how much gram of that. Yeah, the only gram thing I know is with weed. I know about gram, but cooking, I just cook. Yeah, so that means I cook by my eye. Whatever I put in, I feel it. It's like when you create music, you have to feel it. If you don't feel it, it's a problem. Yeah, it's the same thing. So if you ask me really how much salt you put in there, I cannot really tell you how much gram or something, but I can show you now, right? So the salt, what I put in there, right? I put it outside a bit inside a bit, and that's it. So the first time you put water, and you have it like that much over the rice. Where's the camera here? What? That much over the rice. Alright? It still have a lot of But waiting, it start to bubble. When it start to bubble, you see, you can take down the fire. But it don't boil it, the water don't boil it. Normally, because we heat up the water before, so it was never boiling hot again. But normally, if you take it directly from the water boiler, then you're gonna see it bubble immediately. But no, it just take a moment. But it's no problem still. Yeah. So now we cover it, blop. Then we take down the fire in half. And when the water is absorbed, you're gonna put in water again, and then you're gonna turn the fire lower again. But we soon reach there. This is where we are now. Now we have to have patience. We soon come back to you in a few minutes. You see? The water is bubbling. So now I'm gonna put some thyme, yeah? Fresh thyme. Put it in there. Actually, how to take off the thyme? You just have to peel it off the other way around. You hold it like this, and you peel it off the other way around when you have the thyme. Okay? You just take it off the other way around, backwards. The thyme comes off. Is it? But I want it to be on the thyme itself, because later I can just take it out in one piece. Yes, so people say you cannot take off the cover when you cook rice. Of course you can take off the cover when you cook rice. Nothing happened to it. Alright, you take off the cover, and you will still see the rice gonna be nice. Okay? You see there is still water inside, so we still have to wait. How you can see the rice absorb the water. I'm gonna add water and just make it cover. And then we put the butter. Okay, if you want, you can of course stir it. But with the oil, and when you take down the fire, you make sure it don't burn. The rice don't stick on the bottom. As long as of course you can stir it up. And just add the amount of water to cover the rice, okay? You don't put the same amount of water again, because it's too much, okay? Because the rice is, I would say, to more than 60, 65, maybe 70% ready already. So what we do now is we take it down, the fire to the lowest heat, 1 or 2, somewhere there. And then we let it absorb again. We're ready. See, now you just pull out these. You just pull them out. Bop. 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 See? Ja man, done man, done. There it is. Our basmati rice. Yeah man, I put a little bit of thyme on top. The green flag. You know? Green. We love green, you know? Green is a good color. Vegetables, woods, you know? Palm trees, weed. Yeah man, give thanks. Here we put the trailer online and the feedback we get is really overwhelming. People call me, text me, tell me nice work. So we say nice feedback. Yeah, thank you very much. And the more wood you give us, the more fire we make. Alright? So that means more wood, more food. Boom bam. Roots are fruits and fruits are roots. Alright, so see you very soon. Coming up weekly. Alright, so stay tuned, respect, give thanks and praises to the Most High. Wow.